Have you ever wondered how artificial intelligence could revolutionize the chemical manufacturing industry? It might sound like a question straight out of a science fiction novel, but the reality is, it's happening right now. Artificial intelligence, or AI, as it's commonly known, is reshaping industries across the globe, and the chemical manufacturing industry is no exception. Imagine a world where chemical processes are optimized to the minute detail, where waste is drastically reduced and the efficiency is improved beyond our wildest dreams. That's the potential of AI in this industry. From predicting outcomes of complex reactions to managing supplies and logistics, AI is transforming the way we manufacture chemicals. It's not just about automation, but about smart automation. Systems that learn and adapt to deliver the best possible results. One area where AI is making waves is in closed-loop chemical manufacturing. But what does this mean? Well, stay tuned to find out more about this exciting development in the world of chemical manufacturing. Simply put, closed-loop chemical manufacturing is a system where data from the manufacturing process is continually fed back into the system. Now, what does that mean? Imagine a network of sensors constantly monitoring and collecting data throughout the manufacturing process. This data, in real time, is used to fine-tune the system, making it more efficient and reducing waste. But where does artificial intelligence, or AI, come in? Well, with the vast amount of data collected, it would be nearly impossible for humans to analyze and make sense of it all. That's where AI steps in. It can sift through this data, identify patterns, and make predictions to further optimize the process. This could be predicting when a piece of equipment might fail or suggesting adjustments to improve efficiency. The beauty of closed-loop manufacturing is that it's a continuous process of improvement, with each iteration of the